I was currently working on the shirt of the cultist costume, but I just got bored. So we're gonna do the mask. Now somebody already did this mask, which is hella cool. So I'm gonna do this one, which is even better, I think. So what you need? A gas mask. Israeli gas mask, 1980s, I think. They're very common. People still use these. The respirator or the filter goes here. I don't have one, which is good because if this was an actual filter, I probably wouldn't be going around breathing very well. So we're gonna have to make one of our own. I can put this camel pack hose in here, and then, son of a bitch, as when I'm wearing this, I'm gonna get dehydrated. So, what else you need? Another mask. You're all also gonna use some cloth or something like that. I'm gonna use a pillow sheet. In the video game, the spectacles or reticles, what do you want to call these, right there, they're a lot smaller compared to these. So we're gonna take these out, save them for later. We're also gonna cut the jaw off. Way harder than I thought. When you're taking these out, there's these little screws. You can see some big fat hands in front of there, right there. Yeah. Is it really this hard to get this stuff off of one of these small Pringles canisters? Look, I am your... I don't know. So for the filter, I'm gonna maybe cut a little bit more off, and then I'll put some Plasti Dip over it, poke some holes. Maybe I'll do it on this so I can take it off whenever I want, you know. So I cut this for the top, and I cut that for the bottom, and it fits. Just fancy. Right on. Now right there's a hole I gotta cut. Now there's a small piece, like about that size, in the middle of the filter. This is like for putting glitter in, and you know, taking it out and ta-da! Now all I gotta do is maybe hot glue this right here. Then put the pretend filter right there. And for the yellow marking, I'm gonna use more flex tape. And results. I screwed with it. Under here is the filtration where I can actually breathe. Straps are simple. You just put it over your head like that. What I'm currently working on is that. Fits really well on my head, but you know, I still gotta work out the kinks. Like that. Or maybe a pillow sheet. And then put it over my head like a hood. Like so. So, like, share, comment, subscribe. You know what to do. Thanks and all. Scare you later.